Today we embark on a scenic drive from Harbour View to St. Thomas, making our way to the breathtaking Roselle Falls. This journey will take us through some of Jamaica's most vibrant towns, lush landscapes, and historic landmarks, offering a glimpse into the island's rich culture and natural beauty. As we leave the bustling energy of Kingston behind, we'll pass through the coastal community of Blvd, known for its serene beaches and strong Rastafarian influence, before heading deeper into the parish of St. Thomas. Along the way, we'll explore the charming town of Yallahs, with its legendary salt ponds, and the tranquil district of Heartsease, where the rhythms of revival and Kumina ceremonies echo through the hills. Our destination, Roselle Falls, is a hidden gem nestled in the heart of St. Thomas. This stunning waterfall is surrounded by lush greenery and offers a refreshing escape into nature. The falls are not only a place of beauty, but also a testament to the unspoiled landscapes that define this part of Jamaica. As we drive through the winding roads of St. Thomas, expect to be captivated by the rolling hills, vibrant communities, and the warm hospitality of the locals. This journey is more than just a drive. It's an adventure through history, culture, and the natural wonders that make Jamaica truly special. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the road to Roselle Falls together.
completion of the works on the stretch of road leading to Morant Bay, I intend to officially name the highway the Right Excellent Paul Bogle Highway in honor of our national hero who gave his life in the struggle against oppression and injustice in Jamaica.
Are you enjoying the drive so far? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe as we cruise along the Paul Bogle Highway, one of Jamaica's most scenic routes. This highway connects Kingston to the parish of St. Thomas, offering stunning views of rolling hills, lush greenery, and the sparkling Caribbean Sea in the distance. As we drive, you'll feel the refreshing sea breeze and catch glimpses of small communities, farms, and the vibrant culture that defines this part of the island. The Paul Bogle Highway is not just a road, it's a journey through history, named after national hero Paul Bogle, who played a pivotal role in Jamaica's fight for justice and equality. Stay with me as we continue this adventure, because there's so much more to explore ahead. From the legendary salt ponds of Yallahs to the hidden beauty of Roselle Falls, this drive is a celebration of Jamaica's natural wonders, rich heritage, and the warm spirit of its people.
tie us. Looking so surprised, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise on me. My little baby go ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, oh. Everything go from Maria, yeah, yeah. Sensibility, ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like Maria, Maria, yeah, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria, Maria. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me. She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro, Kiliman.
Yallahs this year, best chicken and pork in Yallahs.
Alright,
here.
perfect. You want to do a shout out? No? Best pork in the Yallahs this, man. Best pork.
Looking out for me, every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, everything go from Maria. Sensibility, ah, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like Maria, Maria, yeah, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria, Maria. Ah, now you want to spend more time with me.
As we drive from Harbour View to St. Thomas, passing through the vibrant town of Yallahs, let me take you on a little journey through the history and charm of this area. Yallahs, one of the primary towns in St. Thomas, is a place where the pulse of Jamaican life beats strong. By day, it's a bustling urban center, but as the sun sets, the streets come alive with the aroma of pan chicken and pork grilling over open flames and the rhythmic beats of reggae music spilling out from small pubs. It's a town that seamlessly blends the energy of daily life with the laid-back vibes of island living. But the true gems of Yallahs lie just outside the town center, the twin salt ponds. These ponds are not just a natural wonder, but also a testament to the region's history. Legend has it that during the massive earthquake of 1692, the land beneath what is now the ponds sank, trapping seawater in pockets surrounded by land. Over time, evaporation turned these ponds into a hypersaline marvel, with salt levels sometimes recorded as 15 times saltier than the sea. These ponds were once a vital source of salt for the region, and their shimmering waters still hold a mysterious allure. The salt ponds are also steeped in local folklore. One popular tale tells of two brothers who fell in love with the same woman. The older brother married her, but while he was away on business, his wife and younger brother betrayed him. Overcome with grief, the older brother cried so much that his tears formed the two salty ponds, drowning the unfaithful pair. Another version speaks of a bitter dispute between the brothers, or even a divine punishment for their misdeeds. Whatever the truth, the ponds remain a captivating symbol of love, loss, and the power of nature. As we continue our drive, just 3 miles north of Yallahs, we enter the district of Heartsease. This quiet community comes alive during revival and Kumina meetings, where believers gather by the riverside near the old bridge. Dressed in flowing garments and colorful head wraps, they sing, dance, and sway to the hypnotic rhythms of drums for hours. It's a spiritual and cultural experience that connects the present to Jamaica's rich African heritage. Further along, we reach Easington, home to one of the island's most striking geological formations, Judgment Cliff. This sheer cliff rises over 1,000 feet high and is a stark reminder of the 1692 earthquake that devastated Port Royal. The cliff was formed by a massive landslide during the quake, burying many beneath the rubble, including, as the story goes, a cruel slave owner who met his deserved fate. Today, A plaque erected by the Jamaica National Trust honors national hero Paul Bogle, who led the Morant Bay Rebellion of 1865 and is deeply connected to this area. Easington may be a sleepy community now, but its history echoes through the bridge, road, and civic square that bear its name. Before we reach White Horses, make sure to stop at Poor Man's Corner, a beloved spot along the highway. This area is a lively hub where locals and travelers alike gather to enjoy hearty Jamaican meals, from jerk chicken to fried fish, served with a side of warm hospitality. It's a place where the spirit of community thrives and the flavors of St. Thomas comes alive. Take a moment to soak in the vibrant atmosphere, chat with the friendly locals, and savor the authentic tastes of the island. As we drive through this stretch of St. Thomas, the stories of Yallahs, Heartsease, Easington, and Poor Man's Corner remind us that every corner of Jamaica holds a piece of history, a touch of magic, and a warm welcome. So, roll down your windows, feel the breeze, and let the spirit of this beautiful island guide you on your journey. As we enter the area of White Horses, we're stepping into a place rich with history and natural beauty. This region, nestled on the northern ridge of Yallahs Mountain, was once home to Taino settlements, with evidence of their vibrant culture found in the middens near Roselle Falls. These ancient sites, filled with melangina shells, tell the story of the Taino people's deep connection to the sea. Later, under English settlement, the Roselle sugar estate dominated the landscape, spanning over 1,300 acres before ceasing operations in the late 19th century. Today, Roselle Falls is a peaceful rest stop, where a small roadside waterfall offers a refreshing pause for travelers. It's a place where history, nature, and the spirit of Jamaica come together, a perfect introduction to the charm of White Horses. Now, if you're in Whitehorse's St. Thomas, you have to do it the way the locals do. Here, it's all about taking a soak in the fresh, natural waterfalls. And don't worry about the location being close to the main road. Nobody minds. Around here, people expect you to make the most of what nature has to offer. It's here for everybody, so you might as well use it. The vibe in Whitehorses is something else. The locals might take it for granted because it's their everyday life, but as an outsider, you'll quickly notice how special it is. And here's a tip. If you're coming to Whitehorses, don't just pass through. Bring your swim clothes. Trust me, you can't visit St. Thomas and skip this soak.
Oh yeah? Might have to get in.
Beautiful St. Thomas.